Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be exploring how to make your chicken fast food experience even better. Because they have so much flavors, I will be showing you a really simple fried rice recipe using this tasty, flavorful fried chicken.
Have you ever had leftover KFC chicken and would like to know how to successfully transform this to this? All you need is some shredded chicken pieces. Make sure to separate the skin from the meat. Now always use overnight rice for fried rice because they taste better, and a bowl of frozen veggies. So first up, heat up some oil. You should be generous with the oil if you want a good plate of fried rice. Then throw in the chicken skin. Let the skin cook in the oil for a while to release those flavors, maybe about 3 to 4 minutes on medium-low heat. Make sure not to burn them. Then throw in the rice. Let the rice absorb all the oil and flavors from the chicken skin. Then toss in the chicken meat. Switch your heat to medium-high, and you want to toss and mix everything thoroughly. Don't forget the salt. And lastly, throw in the frozen veggies and mix everything well. And here you have it, super fragrant and flavorful KFC fried rice.
So that's it guys, so simple, so delicious. Seriously, you all need to try this out. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more exciting recipes, share and like this video, and I'll see you soon.